Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I'm heading to my friend's home to make Turkmen Manty. And I will try to show you each steps of how to make it. So see you there. Guys, I came to my friend's home and now let me show you the ingredients. We have meat for inside and we have potato and onion, and we should chop potato and onion like this, and we should make dough for outside. Ingredients are the water, flour and just salt. That's it, and goodbye for now.
Thousands of tears later.
Guys, here is the ingredients: potato, onion and the meat, and we will add the tomato after grating, because we don't want it to be too dry, because potato itself is a little bit dry. And we will add the salt and black pepper or any seasoning which you want to add. We also added some oil. It's because when you open it, I don't know how that term is called, but when you open it, it would be more easier if you add some oil. This is the inside. We add salt and black pepper and a little bit sunflower oil, or it can be any kind of oil too. Olive oil can be too, and that's it. Turkmen Manty will be cooked in this pot. It has its own special pot. This is the top part of the pot, and we oil like this part. We oil this with like this. We will oil and we will put mantis in here. And let me show you the down part. Down part is this. We will put the top part in here, and the mantis will be cooked with the heat of this water. It's made like this. Yes.
Many tic-tacs later.
Guys, it's done. Now we need to put it on fire. This is a complete version of the pot. This part is a manty and the down part is the water, and it should be cooked around 45 minutes with medium heat, and like this. And it would be better to not to open it till it's cooked. It's around, as I said before, 45 minutes.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
And this is the final version. It's done, and we generally eat with yogurt and like this sauce, and I generally prefer to eat with ham. Perfect. And bye. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.